Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is a what's for dinner. I have 3 easy, simple, delicious plus kids friendly dinner. The first what's for dinner is Alfredo pasta. I'll be using sausage instead of chicken. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm just going to fill the pot with some water and put it on the stove to boil. I'm then going to be adding some oil. If you have butter or ghee, that's too is okay. And then some seasoning, some salt, some parsley, black pepper, whatever seasoning I have at hand. Now the water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add the spaghetti into the water and just continue to stir it around so it doesn't clump up together. Now that the pasta is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead now and make the Alfredo sauce. So the Alfredo sauce that I do make is a very simple one, and I'm starting off using equal parts oil and equal parts flour. I'm using a teaspoon. I'm gonna measure 2 teaspoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of flour. Mix those together, whisk them up and make sure there's no clumps, no lumps. Now that the oil and the flour are combined well together, I'm going to whisk in a cup of milk and just continue to whisk soup until the sauce thickens. I'm going to add some salt and some parsley, and I'm going to be turning off the stove and adding the cheese into it and mixing until the cheese is well incorporated. The spaghetti has already been cooked, so now I'm just going to pour the sauce all over the spaghetti and mix it in. Once it is mixed in, I'm now going to add the sausage and add some more cheese on top. Now I'm going to serve my dinner and just show you guys how it looked in. It was very delicious, and I hope you guys will try this out. Super easy and super simple. And here is a close-up of how it is looking. My second what's for dinner is a bread pizza, which is a more simple meal than the first one. So right here I have some whole wheat bread. I'm just going to be cutting them in half and taking out the insides for a bit. Then I'm going to be adding some tomato paste. I'm just going to spread it thoroughly on the inside of the bread. Now I'm going to be adding my toppings, which are sausage and cheese, just a simple pepperoni style pizza. This next part is optional because I'm going to be toasting them in the sandwich maker and putting on the inside of the bread that I took out so that the cheese will stick on the sandwich maker itself. After about 2 minutes, the bread pizza is finished. It's hot and it's cheesy and delicious. So here is the second what's for dinner bread pizza. The last but not least what's for dinner is one of my favorite. It's stir-fry rice with fried chicken. I have a cup of rice. I'm just going to be washing the rice to get rid of some of the extra starch. I'm going to add 4 cups of water to the rice, and then I'm going to season the rice and put it on to cook. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep the vegetables to stir fry them. So the only veggies I had on hand were carrots and sweet peppers, so I'm going to use those. When it comes to stir fry, I like my carrots to be thinly cut, so I'm cutting them at circular first, and then I'm going to cut them into tiny strips so that they will be easy to cook and you won't have crunchy and hard carrots. Now with the sweet pepper, I'm gonna cut them into strips and then cut those strips into 2. Sweet pepper is actually a lot easier to cook than carrots, so it doesn't matter how big the strips are. Off camera, I went ahead and parboiled the chicken to fry, and I'm just now going to add some seasoning on them and put them to fry. I'm now going to stir fry the veggies. Now I'm going to stir fry the rice and put the meat together. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more what's for dinner, and I'll see you guys in the next one.